Hello everybody and welcome to a how-to video. So in this video we're going to be working on a 2013 Kia Sedona. I'm going to be showing you how to change a brake caliper. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is take the front tire off. Once you get the front tire out of the way, you can go ahead and start taking the bolts out of the caliper. Now these are a 14mm bolt. These they've been in there for a day or two, so they were a little stubborn. Go ahead and get that caliper pulled out of there. Usually calipers just kind of fall out. This one was seized, so this one put up a little bit of a fight. Once you get that out of there, go ahead and take your pads out of there. I'm going to be reusing these pads. You can get new pads if you want to. Go ahead and take the caliper bracket bolts out. These are a 17mm. These were a little stuck too, but get those out of there, get the caliper bracket out of the way. You want to take your old hose off. I put a new hose on, you don't have to, that's just something we do at the shop. But go ahead and get your caliper bracket bolts started. Take your caliper back off. Get that out of the way, you can tighten up your caliper bracket bolts. These don't have to be super tight, but make sure they're snug. Go ahead and get them tightened up. Now that those are tight, we're going to go ahead and pop in the shims for the brake pads. You do need to put these in or else your brake pads are going to rattle inside the bracket. It's actually super annoying. Let's get them popped in. Go ahead and put your pads in. The pad with the little metal squealer goes on the inside. The one with no squealer goes on the outside. That done, go ahead and put your caliper on. Get your bolts started. These don't have to be super tight either. Make sure you don't over tighten them because they will stretch and break. Get them tightened down. Get that done. The next step, you're going to want to bleed your caliper. What I'm doing, this process is called gravity bleeding. I'm just letting the fluid come from the reservoir by gravity. You can grab a friend and have him run the brake pedal and it's a lot faster, but that's just the way I prefer it. And then once you get all the air out, go ahead and put your front tire on. That is how you change the front caliper on a 13 Kia Sedona. So, hope this helps somebody.